Use a data kit to easily install Data Cloud components, such as data streams and insights. You can install a data kit into Data Cloud either from AppExchange or from a URL. Let's review how to install from a URL. Copy the URL. Then in the Data Cloud org where you want to install the data kit, open a window and append the URL to the end of your org's URL. Select Install for Admins Only and click Install. When the installation is complete, click Done. In Data Cloud, go to the Data Stream tab and click New. Select Salesforce CRM and click Next. Select the Salesforce org where you want to install the data kit and then find your data kit, also called a data bundle, under Custom Data Bundles. Click Next. Select the data space that you want to deploy your data stream to, and then click Next. Review details for accuracy, and click Deploy. Great! Your data streams are now created with the same model and mappings as the provided data kit.